আপনারা দেখছেন SR24x7 নিউজ।
ಎಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಇರು ಎಂತಾದರೂ ಇರು ಎಂದೆಂದಿಗೂ ನೀ ಕನ್ನಡವಾಗಿರು. ಸರ್ವೇ ಜನ ಸುಖಿನೋ ಭವಂತು. ನನ್ನವ್ವ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಸಪ್ಪೆ ಅಂಗಳ ಒಂದು ಕಲ್ಲು ಉಪ್ಪಾಕು ಅಂತ. ಮೈ ಮದರ್ ಸೆಡ್ ಇಟ್, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಸೇ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್, ಸೇ ಪುಟ್ ಎ ಗ್ರೈನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಾಲ್ಟ್. ಟುಡೇ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟಿಂಗ್ Lord Bhagavan Mahavira Ji, the man of simplicity, a divinity, a Divya Jyoti hai, Paran Jyoti hai. On this auspicious, on occasion of this, today, chairperson of this, I am very much inspired his attitude, character, conduct, and he talked lots of kind words about me. A spiritual leader, and more than his soul is universe. I am happy, very much happy. I am going to receive Bhagavan Mahavir Antarashtriya Prasuti in presence of in his chairmanship. I am very, very thankful to first Dr. Sudesh Kumar Agarwalji, and then in the simultaneously for this, I always tell my second mother, Siddhartha Gopatya, he also talked a few words about me. I am very thankful to him also. And on this occasionally, is the man of dynamism. Every day is working a lot and very down to earth also. And he engaged with lot of programs. We have to support and push him. My dearest friend come brother, he is at Calcutta and he is doing lot of works, and Rotary Club and Lions Club and all. Particularly, one thing I have to do, मैं दिल से बात करता हूँ. I love Calcutta and West Bengal journalist. पश्चिम बंगाल से, कलकत्ता से पत्रकार बहुत वो मेरा दिल है. वो मेरे को सभी दिया, प्यार दिया, खुश दिया, सभी दिया. They given love, care, compassion and everything. I am always grateful to West Bengal and particularly Calcutta Patrikas or journalists and all the peoples, so many peoples. Yeah, lot of my brothers and sisters are journalists are there. I am connecting them. अभी ये मास में अंतर्राष्ट्रीय महिला दिनाचरण है, International Women's Day. Today is March 31st. But we have to be do celebration every day, not only March month. We have to do celebration. We have to give. वही देश में कभी जाग में स्त्री प्रधान होते, वो देश, वो राज्य, वो कुटुंब प्रकाश. That's right, one thing. And today I receiving of this award. One side I am very much happy. Another side I am really scared, afraid, because of this war is happening. We forgotten what our spiritual, they are given beautiful footprints in the earth, like 2600 years ago. Bhagavan Mahavir, Buddha, Jesus, Vaigambar, Guru Nanak, like that. So many people in all religions, they give very, very divinity footprints in this earth. Very, very beautiful. But today, what's going on? In all the religious things, the man, I don't know, ಈ ಯುದ್ಧ ನಡೀತದಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಯುದ್ಧದಾಯಿಗಳೇ, ಒಂದು ನನ್ನ ಮಾತೃಭಾಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ, ಮಾಡಿದ ಅಮಾನೀಯ ಕ್ರೌರ್ಯವನ್ನ ಇಡೀ ಜಗತ್ತಿಗೆ ಬರುವ ತಲೆಮಾರಿಗೆ ಕೂಗಿ 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 ಸಾರಿ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೇವೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ನೆನಪುಗಳು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಳಸ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. We are going to tell you warmongers, powermongers, we are going to tell the whole world, which in one of your reality, generation to come. My humble request, see, Mahavir Buddha, Mahavir not a symbolic, only one thing. To be frankly, I am very much inspired. Simplicity, Satya, Ahimsa, particularly Ahimsa. Mahavira inspired lot of peoples. Buddha inspired lot of peoples. Jesus inspired a lot of peoples. Paigambar inspired lot of peoples. So, particularly in Kolkata, आध्यात्म मेरे को ज़्यादा इंस्पिरेंस है. रामकृष्ण परमहंस, माते शारदा देवी, स्वामी विवेकानंद, अरविंद घोष, दक्षिण से रमण महर्षि, बहुत 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 गिवन ब्यूटीफुल. वो दिव्य ज्योति है, सत्य ज्योति है और विश्वात्मा है. एंड आई हैव टू से भगवान महावीर विश्वात्मा है, दिव्य ज्योति है, दिव्य ज्योति है, अहिंसा, सत्य, like that. He, Gandhi very much influenced by Mahavira. So many people. But today, celebration means, I'm praying frankly, we all forgotten the three peoples, warmongers and powermongers, doing of this war. No, whether I'm not belongs to any party, any religious, anything. My only one thing is, we're all one family, one state, one nation, one world. अभी पूरा जगत में, ये प्रपंच में हम सब लोग एक ही है, लेकिन वो क्या है? तीन आदमी बदमाश आदमी के लिए पूरा the whole world is suffering. Whole world is suffering. I'm not praising, I'm not criticizing any country, because innocent people, lot of innocent people, especially children and women, they never know what's going on. They are going to suffering of it. So I'm really disturbed. It makes me. In this aspect, if we give whole message to the world, just stop the war, stop the war, stop the war. ये अमानवीय क्रूर है ये अल्लाह. सभ्य पूरा जिंदगी में वो अमायिक जीव है, त्याग होते हैं, बलिदान होते हैं, सभी होते हैं ना. ये महावीर का मैसेज है ना, शांति है, सत्य है, अहिंसा है. पूरा जीव संकल्प, वो जीव संकल्प विश्व होते हैं, अच्छी होते हैं, पूरा जिंदगी होते हैं, मानव का नहीं है, पूरा जीव संकल्प. यहाँ टोटल एनवायरमेंटल cycle of chain of circle. If one chain is cut off, whole thing will destroy. ಸಕಲ ಜೀವ ಜಂತುಗಳು ಸೇರಿಯೇ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿಯ ಸರಪಳಿ. ಒಂದು ಕೊಂಡಿ ಕಳೆದರೂ ವಿನಾಶಕ್ಕೆ ತಿಟ್ಟಬಹುದು. ನವಡೇಸ್ ನಮ್ಮ ತೆಲುಗು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಮಾತೃಭಾಷೆನ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಈಗೀಗ ನೆಲವೆಂದರೆ ಹಕ್ಕಿಗಳು ಭೀತಿಗೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಿವೆ, ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲೂ ಮರಮರಕ್ಕೂ ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಬಿದ್ದಿವೆ ಮನೆಗಳು. Nowadays, all animals and birds are very much afraid of our earth, because everywhere, for small tree or big tree or whatever things are, is spreaded nets.